Hey everybody, I'm Pastor Scott Harper,
Hi, I'm Pastor Donna Wright.
and we want to spend a little time to talk about City of Refuge. It's that time of year at the end of each of our years. I guess it's the end of the year, where we want to talk about our offering, our gift of City of Refuge.
Yeah, so City of Refuge is an amazing time where people get to come from all over the world, like it is every month of the year for us, except for City of Refuge is a time where we wanted to set aside for, well, let's just say the history of it. The history of the City of Refuge is actually about David when he was fleeing for his life, and he went to one of these City of Refuges and he held on to the horns of the altar, and God kept him safe and secure. But not only that, he had revelation during that time too. So we wanted to make that type of thing for the year, in the end of the year, for people to come and maybe hang onto the horns of the altar for their life and to be able to see what God might do for them. Keep going, yeah.
Because we started this thing, Dr. Wright, aka Dad, started this thing years ago, and it was to giving people an opportunity to just get their heart right. We've waived the tuition. There's a registration fee, but we've waived the tuition to give as many people possible that chance to get their heart right. We do it twice every year. We do it December 2nd through the 6th and December 16th through the 20th to give every possible opportunity for people to get their heart right. Where our mission is to create generations of overcomers, and to do that is we have this opportunity. City Refuge is a 4 My Life retreat, exactly the same as the rest of the year each month, but this one's special.
Yeah.
This is our gift back to each of you who have partnered with us, shared with us, blood, sweat, and tears, cried with us, and all the things that go along with us, to be able to serve just those that can't afford the full tuition. And that is a really powerful time. And we're always full. Back in the day, we'd have 350 people here, and we're expecting to see that again this year.
We absolutely are.
I mean, just to be able to bless people the way God's blessed us.
You know, I don't know exactly why it is, but seems like there's an era of excitement about God happening right now. And I know that for the City of Refuges of the past, there's this energy, if I can use it that right, and there's this amazing energy that is so God-given, and God does so many wonderful things. That, not only that, but people get free. That's why they're coming. You know, people get excited, they get ignited. But not only that, they have a family connection with the body of Christ. When they walk away, they go, "Oh, I was there at this City of Refuge," and they rattle off the year numbers or whatever, and they come back every year because they want to obviously get more for their lives, but they actually want to just be with the family again too.
It's that becoming part of the tribe, the family, as you said. But that. I mean, we're all so spread out doing different things. There's that mixture between busy and active, and we're trying to be more active and less busy, because busy is just
it has negative connotations to it.
But it's seeing people after they've kind of hit their bottom end, because the whole point of City Refuge is you didn't have anywhere else to go.
Right.
And to keep from being judgment or to go in front of the courts of law back in the day, you ran to that City of Refuge to get your heart right, to make sure you were prepared for what that looked like. And this is the same thing. And to have desperate people come together, prepare each other's hearts, there's a camaraderie, there's a family unit that just is really cool to see.
Well, I got excited because one of the aspects of David, when he went to the City of Refuge, was he was being chased. Okay, so I don't know about you, but there's a lot of things chasing our peace these days. Okay, and so if you feel like you're being chased, I'm going to tell you the City of Refuge this year is the place to be.
I would
agree. Really is.
And if maybe you've been to a 4 My Life retreat, maybe you haven't. Maybe this is your first touch, your first experience with a 4 My Life retreat. I strongly recommend that you come check us out for City Refuge and have a chance to get away from the distractions, the stuff that bogs us down, the stuff that keeps us busy, the things the enemy is using to even drag us into depression and oppression and all just the cares of the world. Come hang out with us. Like I said, there's 2 opportunities, December 2nd through the 6th and the 16th through the 20th. And I just think it's a great opportunity, and I think everybody should come. But I'm a little biased, though.
Oh, I'm very biased, but I do believe everyone should come. And not only will that be happening, is that you get tools for your toolbox for the rest of your life.
So hit the registration links below and come see us in December.